it's Acoustic Paint, I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be following a Mark Crilley drawing tutorial. I remember when I first did this tutorial, I followed along really closely because I didn't want to make a single mistake. But today, I'm just going to follow the tutorial pretty loosely. I've got it over here, let's go. So he drew some boxes and he said they were like 4 centimeters, and I remember actually measuring those boxes out when I did this the first time, but I think I'm just gonna not do that this time and just draw a couple of boxes. There we go, that looks pretty good. Okay, and then he drew the nose down here. This is bringing me back to when I first started drawing.
Eventually I want to focus on the direction that all these various pieces of fur take as they cover the face. That can be quite a challenge because they do sort of shoot off into...
Okay. Now he does the mouth. He connects the mouth down here. Oh, I specifically remember from this tutorial Mark Crilley talking about how the wolf looks like he's smiling.
And that basically gives us the details of the face. A lot of it comes in with the shading later on. But let's pull back, refocus so that I can show you where the top of the head and the ears come in.
Oh, okay. So he extends this line, and I think my page is a little too small, but that's okay. He does kind of this. Alright, I'm remembering this. When I did this the first time, it took me at least 20 minutes just to get the face.
In terms of figuring out the extent of...
Whoa! Mark! You're so loud. Let's turn that down.
Here, see where this second line comes in? I would say about 2/3 of the way across there.
Okay.
That is where we're going to have that ear come to an end.
I'm skipping ahead a little bit just because this is a long tutorial. There we go. This is looking real cute. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Now what I'm doing here is adding a sort of a dividing line that shows, again, where I'm eventually going to be shading in
okay.
a gray area versus a white area. Who knows? Again, if you know more about wolves than I do, and I'm sure you do, it ain't saying much, because this guy knows nothing about wolves. Tell me about that.
Oh, and at the end of this video, I'll show you my original Mark Crilley tutorial drawing and then this one, because I still have it, and it kind of makes me cringe to look at because I did the whole measuring thing and I made everything look super symmetrical, and there's not a fur out of place, even though there were many furs out of place, and thinking back, I didn't understand that it was okay to take some creative liberties when it comes to following these tutorials. It's like, no, you gotta follow the tutorials exactly, otherwise you're doing it wrong. This is one tip from the Mark Crilley videos that I still always remember, is make the fur strokes look really small. So don't do long strokes, just do really short strokes. But I remember getting really impatient because it takes forever to do these little lines, and it's like, I am bored, I am done, I'm just gonna scribble. So why does this drawing make me so happy? I don't know why. He just looks so goofy, and oh my gosh. Okay, good. I thought I wasn't filming for a second and I was gonna be really upset.
Patterns of the ears, but for now, let's kick it into time-lapse to darken this up. Enough of me jabbering already. Let's get on to the time-lapse part of the video where we're gonna do all of the shaping.
I'm gonna, in the words of Mark Crilley, kick it into time-lapse, and yeah, and then we're gonna come back because he said he's not done with the ears, so I'm just gonna leave the ears, well, I mean, I'll do the ears, he's doing the ears in the time-lapse, but yeah, so let's kick it into time-lapse. Alright, so I just finished my Mark Crilley tutorial drawing. It turned out a lot better than my previous one. I have the previous one right here behind this piece of notebook paper. And so I'm going to show you that. So as you can see, I did this September 6th of 2016, and I did this October 16th of 2018. I think I like this one better, mostly because the values, the shading, everything, it looks better. My style has improved, my time has improved. This took me like 30 minutes. The one on the left took me about 2 hours, so. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Click the post notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video, and I'll link the Mark Crilley video where I did these tutorials down in the description below. Comment down below which one you think is your favorite. Have you tried Mark Crilley's tutorials before? Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Fabulous? I always mess that up. Fabulous day. Bye!